like a second home. We are just so excited. Can't wait to see everyone who's coming out to the event. To tell you a little bit about myself, that, you know, business just was something that I was trying to do in order to fulfill what my mother wanted to do. It was then became something that I just wanted to get right, because I don't like failing, you know? So I'm like, no, I'm gonna get this. And then it became something where, oh shoot, it can help other people. And then boom, that's why I'm here with you today. So
Kind of like what you were saying about businesses. We have to compliment each other.
That's pretty much why we're here today. Got to put together a plan, company information, and the services that we're going to provide.
Can you elaborate a little bit on that? Because I was a DIY person when I was kind of stuff.
Oh, no problem. So when you set up your LLC, these are your legal entity, right? So your business can just be a business, or you can set it up actually legally so they can be a recognized entity. Okay, so like a lot of people with COVID, they couldn't get their money because they were in business, but they were not a legal entity.
Because mine is kind of like the side business, you know, like moms, like she does candles, like hair oil. But it wasn't like, oh, let me just go hard and paint, you know, it's like a simple side thing, it makes me feel good, but okay. But that's
What has been your experience with running social media ads? That algorithm keeps people from seeing your stuff, and it does it on purpose because they want to monetize your platform. You may say to yourself, okay, I want to run an ad, but then when you go to run the ad, you run into that. I spent all this money, no one, you know, even if they click the link, no one bought anything, and I don't understand why. So the only way for me to really show you the power in that is to do it. So everybody see how many clicks that got? And you see how much that click cost me? No, I paid.
Trust me, I spent more.
It was like 1 day.
Trying to do here, you know, and it's social media could be tricky sometimes. I'm learning, but yeah, TikTok, each platform has its own little thing.
And rebuttals. Just remember, you need to have rebuttals. Everybody's not gonna want to be your friend right out the door. You know, so the thing is you want to come up with your process, and the way you come up with your process,
You know, you had that conversation.
that's what it is.
I'm struggling with not wearing all of the hats and separating myself and actually delegating to somebody.
And then it's just a small business. You know, it's very hard to put all the protocols in place